How to add passkey on Binance app. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add passkey on Binance app. So let's dive in. First you have to open your Binance app, and once you open it, it's going to bring you to this window. Now you simply have to click this Binance icon on the top left corner and it's going to bring you to this window. On this window you can either click this arrow over here or just click your profile picture. I'm going to click my profile picture and it's going to bring you to your account info window. And once you're on your account info window, you'll have this option security. You simply have to click security and then it's going to bring you to the security window. And here you can see this passkeys option, and now click add passkey. Instead of a password, you can log in using your face or fingerprint, and this works on all of your devices. You can use your passkeys to log in from any signed device, and you can keep your crypto safer by getting a better protection from online attacks like phishing. So click add a passkey, and now you simply have to enter the verification code that is sent to your email that you have attached to your Binance app. So go to your email and copy the code and enter it, and then I'm going to tell you what to do next. So once you enter the verification code, now you can continue by using your sign in option. You can use your face ID to sign in, and a passkey for your email will be saved in iCloud keychain and will be available on all your devices that you're signed in with that email. So you simply have to click continue, or you can choose other options by clicking it, and it's going to give you this option. Now you can choose how you would like to sign in into Binance, either by passwords, iPhone, iPad or Android devices, or a security key. You can use an external security key if you want, and click continue and choose that option. So that's how you add a passkey on Binance app.